Welcome traders, Patrick from Trading123.net. In today's video we're going to talk about the trades of the day here on Friday, August 18th, 2023. And typically Fridays are lower volume days and choppy, and that's exactly what happened to us here as we got stopped out on our first trade. Holy shit. What am I going to do now? I got stopped. Well, you analyze the trade, and as you see here, I don't know why, just going through the motions, started here after 10, and it was just chopping. It went long, got stopped out, and then it went long, really went nowhere. Then it got short, and boom, whack-a-mole trading. Welcome to Chopsville. So gotta take the loss and move on, and that's basically what we did, and blame it on summertime trading, just choppy trading going into the first hour on a Friday. And so we come back here and let's look at our second trade. Overall, the bot has more winners than it does losers. In fact, I think that was probably the first losing trade, or maybe the second all week. So here we come in, and the market was still going kind of sideways at 10:30. We started, and we shut off the trend filter here to catch some of the reversals. So it gets short, gets stopped, then it gets long, hit its profit target. So we changed our strategy up. We're only trading 2 contracts instead of 3. Then it gets long here, profit targets are hit, another long here, and then this is where it kind of gets choppy, and I think I shut the trend filter off right up here as it peaked, because usually you don't get this many waves in an uptrend. I mean, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, that's 5 or 6 waves here, and each time we got along, I just kind of cringed, like, oh, what's going to happen? Is it going to break out and keep going? And it finally had a trend change here, and we hit our goal, and that's our rebound play. So we're up about $100 for the day going into the first hour and a half of trading. So here's the strategy performance for the trade. 671, little loss there on a stop, and overall all the other numbers down there at the bottom. Nice rebound trade. And let's take a look at the next one. So here's our third trade out of 5, and the rest of them were winners for the day. When I first started trading this morning on a Friday, I wasn't really no hurry to get going with the bot, and I said to myself, I should wait till 10:30 to trade, but the market hypnotizes you. You got all this software and screens in front of you, and you just get sucked in, and I got to catch a move, It's like an adrenaline rush. And that's why I started the trade after 10. So here, market's, still moving kind of choppy. We hit a long trade here that got some profits, and another long, and started going down. So yeah, still a little sideways action, and then we just exited here by hitting the flatten button. And then the market did a reversal here and got long, and we're only trading 2 contracts. And all of a sudden it, got energized. Bunny showed up, and off it ran, took off. And so we hit our profit goal in some choppy trading, but the bot took care of the rest. And we were having some data issues here. so I had to reboot the computer after this trade. So that was our third trade. So we're 2 winners and 1 loser. And then we'll look at the last 2 trades, and the market really got going into the later morning hours. So let's take a look at those 2 trades. First, here's the strategy performance for the trade. So it was kind of still a little bit of whack-a-mole trading because we did have some stops and losses there, but overall we pulled out the winner. So like I said, the market came alive after that trade, and we started getting nice moves up and down, and we got back up near the VWAP line. So we decided to add a contract. We're now trading 3, and we upped our goal and moved our stop a little higher with the high profit goal. And then we let the bot go to work. And usually what happens, price runs into the VWAP line, it hits a concrete wall, and it'll go down. And so we get 1 contract, 2 contracts, and our runner catches about 85% of the move down. And we're over halfway to our goal. And then a quick snap back reversal right to the VWAP line. This is a pattern that repeats, and we were ready and waiting for it. And again, first 2 profit targets hit their targets, and then boom, we hit our max daily gain as the price went right into the VWAP line. If you don't have our VWAP indicator, you should get it, because the price moves all around this line. It's a solid line that plots on the chart. Tells you whether the trend's up or down. And here is the strategy performance for the trade. Total net profit $11.99. All the other numbers, commissions, and so forth. You can review them. And let's look at the last trade. Now we pretty much leave the settings as they were and just re-enable the bot later here in the after, coming near 1 o'clock time frame. Market was still, took a break for lunch after that last trade. Wasn't really going to trade because it was Friday. And then come back, look at the monitors, and see the nice, action and these down moves and up moves and down moves. In the NQ, I don't know if there was news or what, but the market sprang to life after beating everyone up the first hour. A lot of people were complaining about chop today from people I've talked to. And so we get along here, goes up, hit its first 2 profit targets, and then we hit our stop loss. And the trend was up, so it didn't take this trade. I thought it would go long here, but it didn't take this trade because it started a new downtrend. So no worries, it took this one, got a nice profit, and then it started taking the trends down. Just let the software do the work. It's trading with the overall trend. And so we catch 1, 2, 3 downtrends, and we get $1,189 profit, and all the trades were 100% profitable. And that's the way you end the day. Go out with a home run trade, and there's the numbers, and that's the way the software works. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us here on Facebook and Twitter and our social media pages like I just said. For more information on the software, visit our website, Trading123.net. And the price will be increasing for the software, as it's a very phenomenal piece of software that does everything for you and is way underpriced. Comes with a lifetime of upgrades and all the indicators that come with it. Superior technical support and support. All emails are answered within an hour or so. And we're always looking to improve and make the software better. We have a new update that's coming out in a week or so that all these buttons will now be over here on the right hand side of the chart to make it easier to trade with, and some more advanced features. And here's a sneak peek as to what it's going to look like. See, the buttons are all over here. Turn the strategy on or off, trend filter, longs on, shorts off, buy, sell, reverse your position, move the position to break even. And the new feature we're going to have here are these close buttons. So here we're trading 3 contracts. In each one of the settings you can trade up to 4 different features on the AlgoBot with any amount of contracts. So you could trade 3 in here, 2 in here, 4 in here, and 1 in here, and you know, any combination you want up to 4 entries. So here we're just trading 3, and so anytime we wanted to get out of the trade, we can cancel it. And then if we wanted to just close one, we could hit this button to close one, then close the second contract. We hit that, and same with the third or fourth. You will no longer have to go into the chart. Sometimes you like to, you know, bring your stop down or move your profit target up to get out of a trade, and sometimes that can cause some issues with NinjaTrader. So you just hit this close 1 2 3. Believe me, I've been using it, trading, testing it out, and it's very simple. It's a great feature. And then all the money management stuff will be here. That's the new look for the AlgoBot. Again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like I said, for more trading tips and more information on our software.